Royal Bathrooms Trade Account Program understands this need and offers bulk purchase options at wholesale prices, along with the support of a dedicated account manager who can assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. But that's not all. As a trade account holder, you'll also be eligible for exclusive discounts and promotional offers to help you keep your project on track and within budget. In this blog, we'll explore the top 5 benefits of opening a Royal Bathrooms trade account and show how it can benefit your bathroom renovation business. The role of trade accounts in the bathroom renovation industry. Trade account programs play an important role in the bathroom industry by providing a range of benefits to both professionals and consumers. These programs are typically designed to support contractors, designers, and other trade professionals specializing in bathroom projects. Here are some ways in which trade account programs can positively impact the bathroom industry. 1. Discounts and rebates. Trade account programs often offer discounts and rebates on products and materials used in bathroom renovation projects. This can help professionals like yourself save money on projects, making your services more affordable to consumers. In turn, this can lead to more business for your industry. 2. Marketing and promotion. Trade account programs can also help professionals in the bathroom industry to market your services and promote your business. This can include listing professionals in directories, showcasing work on websites, and providing marketing materials such as brochures and flyers. 3. Training and education. Did you know trade account programs often provide training and education to professionals in the bathroom renovation industry? This can include courses on the latest trends and techniques, as well as safety regulations and installation standards. What sets the Royal Bathrooms Trade Program apart? 1. Unbeatable trade price bathrooms. Our trade account program offers unbeatable prices to our members, ensuring access to our premium products at highly competitive rates. We prioritize the profitability of our bathroom traders without compromising on the quality or craftsmanship of our products. 2. Comprehensive product selection. Trade account holders can access our comprehensive product selection, which includes a diverse range of high-quality bathroom products. They are carefully curated to cater to the various client preferences and needs, ensuring you can find the perfect fit for your projects. 3. Exclusive discounts and promotions. As a member of our trade account program, you gain access to exclusive discounts and promotions that provide additional value and opportunities. These exclusive offers further strengthen our partnerships with trade professionals, fostering trust, loyalty, and a mutually beneficial relationship. 4. Exceptional account management and support. We provide exceptional account management services to our trade account members, ensuring a seamless and personalized experience. Each member is assigned a dedicated account manager who serves as a single point of contact, offering expert support and advice. 5. Fast, reliable delivery services. We understand that timely project completion is critical for both professionals and clients. That's why we offer fast and reliable delivery services to ensure your project stays on track and is completed before the designated deadline. Our team prioritizes efficient turnaround times, carefully processing and packaging your orders to be promptly delivered to your desired location.